The expression "make a beeline" is a colorful idiom that encapsulates the notion of moving swiftly and directly towards a specific destination or goal. It originates from the behavior of bees, insects known for their efficient and purposeful flight paths between their hive and sources of nectar. The phrase is often used metaphorically to describe how individuals pursue something with determination and focus, minimizing distractions along the way. When someone is said to make a beeline, it implies that they are taking the most direct and efficient route possible. This suggests a sense of urgency or eagerness in reaching their intended destination or objective. The phrase highlights the idea of cutting through unnecessary detours or delays, and instead adopting a path characterized by decisiveness and single-mindedness. The imagery of a bee's flight is particularly apt for conveying this concept. Bees are known for their remarkable navigational skills, using visual cues to establish a clear route to their target. They fly in a straight line, accounting for obstacles and adjusting their trajectory as needed. In a similar vein, when a person makes a beeline, they exhibit determination and a willingness to overcome obstacles without losing sight of their goal. The phrase is commonly used in a variety of contexts. In everyday situations, someone might make a beeline for the exit of a crowded venue to avoid congestion, or they might make a beeline for the buffet table at an event to secure their favorite dish. In a professional setting, a person might make a beeline for a job opportunity, showing their eagerness to secure the position without hesitation. Making a beeline can also symbolize the desire to seize an opportunity quickly without getting sidetracked by distractions or uncertainties. It underlines the importance of taking proactive and efficient action, especially when time-sensitive matters are involved. Furthermore, the idiom underscores the value of intentionality and focus in achieving one's objectives. It encourages individuals to prioritize their goals, disregard unnecessary diversions, and maintain a clear and determined trajectory. In conclusion, make a beeline is a metaphorical phrase inspired by the focused flight path of bees. It encapsulates the idea of moving swiftly and directly toward a specific goal or destination. The expression emphasizes determination, efficiency, and a willingness to bypass distractions, mirroring the behavior of bees as they navigate their surroundings. Whether used in everyday conversation or to describe determined action, the phrase encourages individuals to pursue their objectives with clarity, purpose, and resolve.